In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this awesome little 9-inch playground ball to get the most tightening, toning, inch loss, and health benefits out of every one of your workouts. Hi, I'm Renee McLaughlin. I'm a master trainer in the T-Tapp Method, and today I am going to share with you how you can use the T-Tapp Method and this ball to get amazing inch loss and sculpting results. What is the T-Tapp Method? The T-Tapp Method is a system and a set of principles that help share with us how to use our bodies to get amazing inch loss and health results. So let me just share with you what a couple of those principles are. Number one principle is being able to use muscle activation to create great tight toned muscles, and using the principle of ribs up, activating our lats, which are these big muscles right back here that really help us increase our metabolic rate. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to show you how to use this ball to create more spinal muscle activation in a plie position. So let's get ourselves in that position, bending the knees, taking a look to make sure that when you bend, that knee is going over the second toe. When you're in that alignment, you don't have to worry about any pain in the knees. If so, adjust slightly. Tailbone, you're pulling that tailbone down into the ground. You're pulling up from the pelvic floor. Belly button is in tight and pulling up. I'm going to bring my arms right to here like I'm pushing into this ball. Now in T-Tapp, I'm going to bend a little bit. I'm thinking about pressing back here so I have muscle activation. Everything is tight there. Now with our ribs up, I'm going to show you the difference. Here's ribs down, right? You're just kind of slouching there. Ribs up is coming right from here and lifting up. It's not a shoulder lift, it's a rib lift. So now I'm doing some nice rib lifting, right? Muscle activating even as I go up and down. But watch what happens when I use this ball. I'm going to put my hands here, right down like that to get muscle activation. And I'm going to push into the ball. As I bend a little deeper, I'm going to straighten and release. Push and release. Press and release. I'm going to come up a little bit so you can see. Really watch my upper body, how I'm able to get great extra muscle activation all up in my back, in my arms, all over the body. Every workout, every move in the T-Tapp Method is full body. We use every single muscle, at least 5 with every major move. That's why you only have to work out 15-20 minutes to get amazing results. I'm going to share with you one more. All right, so we have a signature T-Tapp move called T-Tapp Twist. And the whole concept of it is that you try to keep your hips straight to the front as you pull your shoulders straight to the side. You're pulling up, you're right in alignment. So think about what happens to all those tiny muscles up the spine. You're doing, we call it a squeegee. You're creating this beautiful spinal squeegee all the way up. So that as all those muscles activate and pull in a twist, that's how you can really cinch in here. And it also is very lymphatic. It really helps you with your detox system. So let me show you how to do this with the ball. I love it with the ball. So I'm going to do a bent arm here in that same position with my ribs up. My legs are there. I'm pulling up from here. So in other words, do you see the difference? I'm not here. I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to inhale into my belly, and then I'm going to exhale. I'm pulling in. I'm thinking, lifting all the way up. Ribs are up here. I'm going to keep my hips straight, and I'm going to start to just do some little turns. I'm going to exhale every time I do it. And I'm squeezing the ball every time I do it. So I'm just going to go to the side for you again to see. Again, I'm pulling up from here. Shoulders are down. Ribs are up, and I'm coming over. See how my shoulders are in a straight line, just like T-Tapp Twist. So I'm going to go. I'm getting a little crazy here in the mirror, right? And all the way up. Good work. And then on to the other side. Every time you exhale, pull the belly in, press that ball, keeping this hip pulling back to the other side. Whoa, you are not going to believe how much muscle activation you get. That's how you start to really cinch in your whole torso area. Not only that, but if you're doing a lot of sitting and you're kind of hunched over, it really will help you open up in your back. I hope that helped. I love using the ball. Now, I am really excited because I'm going to be able to share with you my whole ball workout, both standing and on the floor, at this year's 2019 T-Tapp Retreat, which is in Safety Harbor, August 1st through the 4th. Now, this is going to be the last T-Tapp Retreat at Safety Harbor. It is going to be an amazing event. We're going to have a huge, beautiful tribute to Teresa Tapp, who was our brilliant innovator that really taught us all about the T-Tapp method. And we can't wait to see you there. We've made it super affordable for you to come. And not only that, but the Safety Harbor Resort has given us an incredibly affordable room block. It's only good though until June 23rd, so please don't hesitate. Grab your bestie, grab your daughter, grab your friends, grab everyone you love. Come on down. Let's have a great, great weekend and retreat, just sharing all this great information. We're going to be dancing and singing and T-tapping and just having an incredible time, and I hope to see you there. I have a link to our page where you can register. It will be right below here, and I can't wait to see you there. Bye.